Hi everyone, this is Renny. Today I'm introducing plant number 6 of our 12th day of Christmas special sale that we are doing in a web store. Plant number 6 for day 6 is this one right here. It is my original hybrid named Python. A really exquisite one with interesting texture and markings on the leaf. I named this plant Python because of its exotic pattern and reptilian coloring that reminds me to a coiled up python. This is a hybrid I made in 2012 from crossing several of my Splendens hybrids to Red Wolf. It was the cream of the crop from that batch of seedlings. It's got outstanding, irregular, bumpy texture and unique markings. So here is the large offset that we are offering as part of our 12th day of Christmas sale. And you can find it in our web store.